bird aviary, our African savanna, alligator swamps, and our kingdom of the great apes. Make your reservations today and be the first to explore Eden. Our doors are opening to you and your family soon.
I don't like that. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Stop it.
You stop!
Animal escaped.
Escape! Escape! Escape!
What's wrong?
What's wrong?
The birds. Alan wants me to set all the birds free.
How do we do that?
How do we do that?
I can automatically open the roof. We do it sometimes for cleaning, but it's not very practical.
Do you need help with that?
Help with that! Help with that!
Shut up. Oh, can I please set this bird free first?
Help me! 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 Help me!